This is a project file from Corel Photo House, not PhotoPaint. It was a budget photo editor from the 90s. It is extremely difficult to open today. You typically need a virtual machine running the original software to rescue these old memories. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's discuss preservation. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single CPS file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. A CPS file is associated with Corel Photo House and CorelDRAW, two graphic design applications developed by Corel Corporation. CPS files typically store raster images, similar to JPG or PNG files, but may also contain vector graphics elements, especially when associated with CorelDRAW. The format is proprietary to Corel and is primarily used within their software ecosystem. CPS files can contain both raster and vector data, depending on the application used to create them. The file format supports layers, color profiles, and various image editing features. Corel's internal algorithms handle compression and rendering, ensuring optimal image quality and performance within their software. The specific structure of the CPS file can vary depending on the version of Corel Photo House or CorelDRAW used. The specific reading module for CPS files is provided by Corel Photo House from Corel Corporation. Viewing this file correctly requires specialized software that ignores the Windows association data. Windows displays only limited attributes, so meaningful access depends on the tool that created the file. Open the menu by right-clicking your CPS file and choosing Open With. Try Corel Photo House first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is essential for troubleshooting. If your CPS file is not opening yet, that is normal. The problem with this CPS file isn't complicated, it's specific. We just need to verify a few key details on our checklist before moving to the fix. First, identify the creator. Determine the associated program, e.g. game project utility, that created the CPS file. Next, use the original application. Launch the original application and use its file. Open or import function to load the project. Finally, check dependencies. Ensure all associated media and data files referenced by the project are present in the correct path. If your current apps can't interpret your CPS file, your computer is likely trying to use the wrong language to read a format it doesn't recognize. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your CPS file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future. Hope that solution accelerated your workflow.